Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to the recap. Today is June 16th. So let's go ahead and go over my trades. Just like any other morning, I come in the morning and pull up my gap scanner. As you can see, these are the stocks, that were gapping up this morning, as also what's up right now as well with the volumes. As you can see, CLIR MCEP, GILL I was watching, and CVU. And also HTZ, it's not on here, but it had a decent volume, so that's why I had it on the list as well. But let's just go ahead, go back in time, and you'll see those similar stocks. 6:15 a.m. So as you can see, we have MCEP, CLIR. I was watching ROSE. I wasn't watching. To me, it just didn't seem as good because of Rose U. They're the same stocks, but that's the warrants, I believe. So, and I was watching JILL, again, HTZ, ANVS. Um, I believe that's it. And CEI as well, just because the energy sector was hot. So, yeah. So, let's go ahead and show you my. Today I made 101 on my trades. So another green day. So not bad for today, but the market was still a little bit choppy. So let me go over my trades, right? So today, again, I was watching CPE. I got in at 175, and I was, yeah, let me go ahead and do this first of all. I'll go here, and okay, cool. So CPE, right? CPE, I was watching for a red to green move. Obviously, I got at 175, right? And then I got out at 173. It didn't work out, right? CPE 175, and then got out at 173, right? It didn't work out. I was looking for this break right here for this inflection point, and also, a red to green move. Obviously, there was a lot of resistance, so it didn't work out and sold off. Next, I traded was HTZ. HTZ, I got in at 210 and then sold at 205 for a loss. I was looking for, kind of this push up to VWAP, break off and push up to high of day. So that didn't happen. Again, I was looking for break of this and push above VWAP, but that didn't happen. So I got in and got at 205. And then CLIR, that was the one where we made some money, but also gave some money away. So CLIR, if we go back, I got in at 175. Okay. I got in at 175, which was around, let's see, this area for the breakup high of day, right? That's another inflection point. So I got in, but it was a little bit choppy around the area, but then I saw I was holding the 9 EMA, so I was holding my position, and I sold some on the way up to 187, and then sold some at 191 on the push up. So that was that. And then CPE, I tried again, but then I failed. Well, the stock just didn't move right in my favor, so I got out 170. And then CLIR, I got in again 196, and sold some at 203, and sold some at 208. And then bought some at 208, and then sold some at 208. It was looking kind of weak, and then sold some at 207, and then bought at 220, then sold some at 224 and 219. So today was choppy, man. Like made money, then gave some away, then made some more money. So I bought some more on this area and sold some on the way up. So yeah, I guess we're still seeing that momentum of choppiness, where stocks are not following those patterns, or if they are failing and then they're taking off. So yeah, I'm not too sure, but I'm just being extra cautious and careful, taking only A+ setups. So yeah, not bad for today. Hopefully tomorrow is a better day, and hopefully you guys are green as well. So subscribe to my channel, guys, so that way you can watch these recaps and get alerted, and also like the videos as well, so that tells me that you guys are enjoying this. And subscribe to my Twitter channel. That's where I post all of my watch list. So if you go here, as you see, CLIR is the one I traded today, right? And check that out. It made this move from all the from 140 to 325, and it was on my watch list here that I posted for you guys. So yeah, other than that, I will see you guys tomorrow, and enjoy the rest of your day.